Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you what we got here. Color laser jet stand, part number 6QN54A. With the HP color laser jet stand, it is easy to relocate the printer whenever it is necessary. With the flexibility this stand delivers, it is easy to move your HP LaserJet printer or multifunctional printer to wherever it is needed. Locate your HP LaserJet printer wherever it is most convenient for users. With this stand, free up your space on your desktop or on the table. With this HP color LaserJet stand, it is easy to move from one place to the next. We're going to unbox it, check it out, and see what is inside. This is information pack, printer stand. So we got four of those. Four of those. This is the stand. Brilliant. I see what it looks like. Beautiful. See what it looks like. Easy to move. So this goes. This goes in here. So goes in here. Then put the second one. Goes in. This goes in here. The last but not the least. Brilliant. This is what it looks like. HP LaserJet stand. So this is what it looks like on the floor. This is what we ordered here. So this is the lock. It goes to the printer. To unlock it, push it to the left side to unlock it. To lock it, pull this to the right. It will lock the printer. If you want to remove the stand, just lift it up, then remove. So this is the unboxing and overview of this stand. Thank you.